manufacturing chase. But we all know about it. We've all heard about Kashmiri Willow. We've all played cricket. This is kind of an interesting.
यहाँ पे बनता है बैट। इस जगह का नाम क्या है?
Chursa Avantipura. Near Toll Gate.
नियर टू गेट टू
Chursa Avantipura. Avantipura. These are the logs. These are the cultivation purpose for here. Came from north, from Assam and the place in our valley, and south from Burma. After local name long. Bid. We call it as a bid. We know the hell. Local language. Local में bid.
You keep this for some time or you can immediately cut?
Immediately. Whether they reach there and we immediately cut with the bandsaw, and after that shape will be given with like that. After 2 or 3 steps, then make a full-fledged clipped. This is very much heavier.
Okay.
They will not lose the weight until and unless. Until and unless it will dry up there.
Okay. So there's a lot of moisture. It is wet. So now आप इसको ड्राई करोगे 6-7 महीने
6 साल, more than that. More than that.
ड्राई करते हैं. Okay, by the time it lose the weight.
It lose the weight, and the bait weight will be approximately 1150, 1160, 1170 grams.
1170 grams.
1170. That is the standard rate as per BCCI and ICCI is concerned. This is just a randa. It's called as a plain.
Plain.
We give it the finishing touch.
Okay.
Just a finishing touch to the bat, and this will give smoothness.
Smooth.
Just like that. You see, these are some blades, huh?
अच्छा.
Make when
Okay. Smooth.
in the process, huh? When the factory is on, then we give the full-fledged shape on this, and these will give the smooth shape on the bat, and these are just a full-fledged bat. Now in a raw form. Huh?
Okay.
We give also the next step will be after labeling, after compression, and after the stickering, and after laminating, and also the polishing.
Polish करते हैं.
Yes, and knocked.
इसका weight कितना होगा?
इसका weight होगा near about 600-700 grams.
वहाँ पे आपका 1170 1170 था.
वो मैंने कहा है leather ball bats.
लेदर बॉल. हाँ. ये भी लेदर बॉल ही है.
नहीं ये tennis.
ये टेनिस बॉल बैट.
There are some varieties in the bats.
अच्छा तभी ये बहुत हल्का है.
Yeah.
So this is a almost finished cricket bat. लेदर बैट होगा.
Yes sir.
Length
34-35 inches.
34-35 inches.
34-35 inches.
And weight कितना होना चाहिए?
Weight होना चाहिए exactly 1100 to 1200 grams. In between.
1100 to 1200 grams.
In between.
What do you import from Singapore?
Handle.
This handle.
Cane. It's called as the cane handle.
Cane handle. Okay.
Yes sir. Cane
Handle you? That seems like a very sturdy one. ये सब आप बाहर रखते हो, बारिश होगा तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा?
नहीं कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. हाँ जब प्रोफाइली जब पूरा सूखेगा फिर उसके बाद इसको 4-4, 5-5 करके हम लगाते हैं. फिर उसके बाद ऊपर से टीन विन शेड कोई
अच्छा कवर
लगा. This is the first quality Kashmiri willow bat.
हाँ जी.
It will you have to pay near about 2,000 rupees. Almost 2,000 rupees.
2000 rupees.
Almost 2,000.
Whereas a finished वाला
Yeah.
जब वो लोग बेचते हैं मार्केट में
हाँ.
तब वहाँ पे ये पहुँच जाता है कितना?
ये पहुंच जाता है 5,000 में भी, 6,000 में भी, 7,000 में भी.
6,000
हाँ सर.
How long can I expect this to last?
It will last near about 2 or 3 years. 3 years.
3 years, ना?
इसको बनाने में near about 2 or 3 weeks लगते हैं. एक बेड बनाने में.
एक bed
near
बनाने
about. हाँ 2 near about. 2 weeks.
और आप साल में कितने बैट बनाते होंगे?
साल में हम annually without having annual turnover of clippers that is 40 to 50,000.
So I think that's that. That was very nice. I think आपने हमें इतना समझाया बैट के बारे में. खरीदने से पहले they can always try it out, test it, maybe play a stroke also. उसके बाद, but it's very nice.
बहुत अच्छा. आपने इतना अच्छे से समझाया ना. First time I'm getting to listen to it properly. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you
so much.
बहुत अच्छा.